ये हमारी आंटी बाय मॉर्निंग। आज मैं वीडियो जल्दी स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ यस, क्योंकि घर से मैं जिम तक चल के जा रही हूँ। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 45 मिनट्स वॉकिंग करते हुए हो गया है। नहीं ले रही हूँ तेरा, इसी का फेस आ रहा है बस। ले तू बड़ा होके देखना मेरा वीडियो। ओके ओके। My God, it's so much distraction everywhere, but I realized again realization because I try to keep focus on myself instead of others. So whatever happens, whatever distractions comes, I know one thing. There are few things which I have already decided that I'm gonna do. It doesn't matter for how long I do, but I do that thing. That is. Hello, bhai. Hello, Ami. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, just आधे घंटे पहले I'm back from gym. Yes, and mommy is making khana as usual. Well, I'm like so sleepy, man, because I slept around like 3 and I woke up at 7:30, and it was raining heavily in the morning. Oh my God, it's raining heavily in the morning, and no, that's okay. So I thought कि no. I did not think कि मैं नहीं जाऊँगी। मम्मी मेरे को बोलती है हो गया 8 बज जा, बहुत बारिश हो रही है, but I knew बारिश तो रुकेगी। That time I can go, So I asked my neighbor uncle to drop me. Anyways, my bhai is watching my previous vlog, last vlog actually. So man, chalo, let's go and eat something. I'm gonna make, I think, juice, vegetable juice, mixed veg juice. Juice is ready, man. So this is mixed veg. इसमें है चुकंदर, लौकी, स्पेशली लौकी, मैन, लौकी इज इम्पोर्टेंट, चुकंदर, खीरा, व्हाट एल्स, अदरक, और क्या है, गाजर, हालत मैसी है आज माँ घुटने में दर्द है, मैन, क्योंकि मैं बहुत गंदा गिरी थी एक दिन, एंड देन इस पे पता नहीं, राइट वाले पे तो मैं गिरी थी पत्थर पे, बहुत गंदी चोट आई थी, पूरा स्वेलिंग हो गया था। मैंने वैसे मलाना एक्चुअली। आई एम सिटिंग इन वन ऑफ माई ब्रदर्स रूम, उसका फ़ोन यहाँ आया, मैंने उसका डोर लॉक कर दिया, ही इज स्लीपिंग इन सम अदर रूम। एनीवे, सो आई एम हंग्री एज वेल, बट इट फील्स लाइक आई थिंक आई शुड हैव जूस फर्स्ट, देन आई एम गोना ईट समथिंग। आंटी जा रही, मैं आई और आंटी जा रही है 2 महीने के लिए। ओह, कुंज खरीद कर लाया था उसके लिए? अरे वाह। ये इसके लिए लेके जा रही है आंटी, और इसके पास जा रही है, अपने नातिन के पास, जॉय के पास। क्यूटी आंटी का सामान। ये घड़ी अच्छी लग रही है।
नाती पसंद की चप्पल।
नाती छोटा सा है, कैसे पसंद करेगा वो अभी?
नहीं
ये हमारी आंटी बाय बाय आ रहे मॉर्निंग। आज मैं वीडियो जल्दी स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ यस, क्योंकि घर से मैं जिम तक चल के जा रही हूँ। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 45 मिनट्स वॉकिंग करते हुए हो गया है। आई लेफ्ट हाउस it's 7:30 and it's almost 7:50. It's not that far. I think gym सामने ही दिख रहा है, but for here it's far, why? Because people might be, I mean like मेरे को तो आदत है ना ऐसे चलते रहने की, इतनी दूर। So for me it's fine. 30 minutes of walk, 30-40 minutes of walk is like completely fine in the morning. And this is the river we have. सोन नदी है, कौन सी नदी है? No, तिपान नदी है। यस, जिम सामने दिख रहा है। मेरा भाई 5:30 पे आ जाता है यार, सो मैं सोती रहती हूँ इस टाइम पे। माई मदर गोज फॉर द मॉर्निंग वॉक एट like 6:30 almost, and I have never been a morning person. I think you guys have seen me in the videos talking about this. I have never been the morning person, but as you guys know, I'm also committed to change my habits and patterns which are not supporting me for the growth. So that's why I'm like, let's go and do the thing which is important. Yes, necessary. And that is at the same time I keep like traveling everywhere, eating foods here and there, not so much healthy, you know. So that's why I'm like, if I'm at home, I should take care of myself fully, so including body as well. So that's why I'm just. And when your brother is a gym trainer, you know, and you do not go to gym, I mean like, there's a doubt about it. No, I मेरे हाथ दुख रहे हैं यार. Gym is not that far. So एक चीज़ मेरे को समझ में आई, मेरे को कैप लेके आना था. बाल उड़े पुड़े हैं, कैप लेके नहीं आई हूँ मैं. So but that's okay. Let's go. Exactly, it took me like 30 minutes to reach there. आराम से आई, मैं तो ऐसे भी नहीं आई कि मेरे को भागते भागते आऊँ. So it took me only like 30 minutes to reach here. Here is our gym. दिख रहा है क्या ये Mavericks? So yeah, let's go. मम्मी नाली बंद करवाओ यार. घर के सामने, घर के बाजू में. मैं मम्मी हमारे नेबर्स के यहाँ सोई तो नहीं होगी. मम्मी यार गलत टाइम पे आती हो यार.
ये देख भागे जाता है.
अयो मम्मी, आया अच्छा तू बड़ा हो जाएगा तो मेरा वीडियो देखना. उई 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 क्या चल रहा है. ये हमारी गुड्डी. शादी को तो 1 साल हो इससे ज़्यादा हो गया ना. और इसका बेबी भी आ गया दुनिया में.
बेबी नहीं दीदी, वो
बेबी मतलब बच्चा. अथर्व बॉय. कितना क्यूट होते हैं बच्चे. नहीं ले रही हूँ तेरा, इसी का फेस आ रहा है बस. ले तू बड़ा होकर देखना मेरा वीडियो. ओके ऑलमोस्ट 9 और मैंने वीडियो अभी तक एडिट नहीं किया है. And I have to upload the video today. Yay! I went to the shop to buy something. Yes, like kala chana man. That is important to eat for protein. So yes. Right. Sorry. Here is my brother, as usual, always handsome. है ना भाई? Yeah, he just came from somewhere and he just bought us a pizza. So यहाँ पे भी पिज़्ज़ा मिल जाता है. अच्छा यार भाई, 70 रुपये का पिज़्ज़ा, कितना बढ़िया है ये. चीज़ कॉर्न जाम अपन खाएंगे अब. ये डिस्ट्रैक्शन क्यों नहीं जाता यार. My God, it's so much distraction everywhere. But I realized, again, realization, because I try to keep focus on myself instead of others. So, my God, it's not that simple, and it's not that easy. You know, distractions are everywhere. And then I realized, damn, it is gonna be everywhere. Distractions are gonna be everywhere. It is me. I have to train myself to focus on myself instead of others. Oh shit, man. It's so damn what I mean, I understand people. Help me God. Literally just help me. Or I think this is how life is, you know. Life is, yes, we try something new, we fail, we learn, again we try. And obviously, then when we try again, it is like we are not trying it from zero, at least from number 1 to position we are trying, right? Because we have already did that thing previously, and then we have learned some lessons. So yeah, I understand that. I think I have improved a lot. At least I'm observing my patterns, At least I'm aware. Okay, here I'm going wrong. At least I can see where I'm making mistakes, and I'm observing myself as well. Like I can clearly see from where I'm making choices and taking the decisions from the past behavior and the past conditioning. So at the same time, I tell myself, okay, not if not at the same time, so on the same day, I tell myself, my God, what I did. Okay, I understand this. I have to correct it. I know it's not an easy process because it has taken like years and years to train, like your nervous system to get trained, from the society, from the family, so from the environment where you have lived. So if you want to change your environment and change your thinking, so obviously you have to be very conscious while making decisions, while talking to yourself, and while making any choices for your own life. It's very important to choose your surrounding. Like seriously, man, I really crave good surrounding around me, who are like ambitious, who are like focused, who the people who are creative, the people who are open to try new things. I literally crave these kind of surroundings because I know I need. But again, I was watching some reels, so one reel just popped up in front of my eyes, and it was they were talking about focus on yourself. The right people, the right environment will find you. If you don't have like the good environment, the good people, the right people around you, they will find you, or you will find them. But keep choosing you, keep becoming that kind of person, so that when you will reach to that frequency, you will attract the same kind of people. So my duty at this time, my job at this time for myself is to raise my vibration, raise my frequency, and do the work which I need to do to be here, so that I can attract the same kind of people. So yeah, that's what I'm doing at this moment. आई नो रोड हमेशा ऐसे नहीं होती है मैन, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन तो नहीं जाती, हमेशा ऐसे होती है. So don't think like everything is gonna be like so easy and smooth, man. I'm realizing it, like seriously, distractions are everywhere. Even at the gym, I'm here, hit the home. My God, when I was coming to home this time, I was like, okay, I'm gonna be very focused. But next day, I went to gym. I'm like, man, okay, good. But again, mind started like wandering here and there. I'm like, what is happening here? And it's been like 3 days I'm going to gym, and then I have realized, damn, I need to focus on myself. Here is my brother. He came. Actually, he went somewhere. But yeah, I was just saying, whatever happens, whatever distractions comes, I know one thing. There are few things which I have already decided that I'm gonna do. It doesn't matter for how long I do, but I do that thing. That is like training for my own nervous system. That I'm serious for my dreams. I'm serious for my own self. I'm serious for breaking the old patterns, old conditionings. So that shows. So that's why it doesn't matter like for how long I do that thing, but what is more important to showing up for that task which I have already decided that I'm going to do that. Before anyhow I have to finish that. So yes. Anyways, this is it for this video. I don't want to make a video like quite long. And so yes, see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.